What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to sign PDF files using the Adobe Acrobat Reader or the Adobe Reader on your computer. So here I have a PDF file opened in my Adobe Acrobat Reader. That's the free version, not the Acrobat Pro. And if I want to sign it, you'll see here on the tab at the top here, you'll see a sign option. If I click on it, it'll give me the signature options. I can add a custom signature or initials, or I can choose here on the file like an area, or I can like write my signature. So here I can edit the text size and so on. And here, as you can see, as I showed you at the tab on the left, I can add a custom signature like the signature I use on my documents, or add my initials to automatically sign documents with my custom signature.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.